Nowadays, fashion trends become popular as part of our life, especially the youth and college students. Everyone care about their appearance. As statistics shown, 48% of them think that a proper dressing can improve confidence, 19% is to get in socialized, the other 16% is to follow up trend and show out personality. Therefore, we know that a proper dressing is important for us in our daily life. We want ourselves to look better every time and everywhere. However, majority of us will having problems of what should I wear, does it look good on me, and does it match with my clothes. Moreover, we spend our precious time for shopping in different fashion stores, but at the end we might unsuccessful to get what we want. Most of us can't get the suitable one. Some of them might not affordable. But we shouldn't be frustrated and confused about our dressing anymore. We do not want anyone to have these problems again. We should make a better change. It's the time. Get yourself a new mirror. Introducing Mirror Mirror by Problem, a fashion application to help you forget about your dressing problem. Download easily from the Apple Application Store or Google Play Store. Install into your smart device. Now you are ready to use it. Scan yourself by using Mirror Mirror application with your input camera. You can insert relevant information if necessary. The application will read the data after your scan and filter out result to provide accurate info of the fashion which fit you. Another way, you can also capture an overall snapshot of yourself by your friend with Mirror Mirror application too. At the same time, you can also upload your fashion snapshot to our Mirror Mirror album and social network. Share your fashion trend to the world. Mirror Mirror also provides the latest fashion trend news by providing hundreds of fashion store recommendation, prices of fashion stuff, offline service, social network sharing, knowledge and tips to dress up. Aimed to provide the best fashion guidance for user to reduce unnecessary expenses and time saving. Mirror Mirror is a free download application. Upgrade to premium member with only $1.99 and you can enjoy unlimited advantages and features. Mirror Mirror is also cooperate with a number of minimum 120 fashion stores. We help them to advertise their fashion stuffs and promote the sales to our application's user. We gather up all the fashion stores item lists into one. User can search for their need and check on the price list just with a click. To expand our network, user will invite his or her friends from connected social network to gain tip of dressing per day. Hence, there will be more and more invitations spread to get new user to experience our application. Get yourself a better looking on dressing. Be more confident, comfortable and socialized. Find us more in Facebook and YouTube. From now on, you can have a wonderful change with greatest outlook in any time, anywhere. Let's start from a new mirror. Mirror Mirror. Beautify your dream.